If you own a classic VW Passat B5 or B55, you know that while the engine keeps going strong, the interior plastics often start looking rough. Specifically, that gear shift knob and boot usually feels sticky, cracked, or just plain tired after 2 decades of use. This tiny upgrade claims to completely revitalize your manual driving experience for a fraction of the cost of a full interior detail. We're looking at the DGQLMX VJT gear shift knob and gator kit, specifically the Black 5-speed version, designed for the 1997 through 2005 manual Passats. The first thing you notice is the aesthetic. It's sleek, modern, and frankly, a huge step up from the OEM part that's probably been baking in the sun for years. The manufacturer claims an enhanced driving experience due to its ergonomic design, and holding it, I have to agree. It feels substantial, despite weighing only 50 grams, and the shape fits naturally in the palm. Shifting gears, especially going from second to third, felt noticeably smoother and more precise than with the worn-out original. Now let's talk materials. The knob itself feels durable, resisting that cheap, hollow plastic feel you sometimes get with aftermarket parts. This is crafted from quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear, which is exactly what you need in a high-touch area like this. The gator boot material also seems robust enough to handle daily friction. Installation is where these kits often fail, but this one truly lives up to the easy installation promise. For anyone familiar with basic car maintenance, this is a straightforward swap. It's designed to clip right into the existing collar structure of the B5 chassis. It took less than 10 minutes, and the fitment was surprisingly tight, no wobbling or loose connections, which is a major win for an aftermarket component. This isn't just about looks, it's about tactile feedback. When you drive a manual, the shift knob is your primary interface with the transmission. Having a fresh, comfortable grip makes those daily commutes or spirited drives genuinely more enjoyable. For Passat owners looking to refresh their cockpit without breaking the bank, this DGQLMX VJT kit offers incredible value. It delivers on its promise of enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal while providing a tangible improvement in shifting comfort. If your old Passat B5 is begging for a simple, effective interior facelift, the DGQLMX VJT Black 5-speed shift knob and boot is an absolute must-buy. It's durable, looks fantastic, and makes driving your manual VW feel new again. Highly recommended.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.